Are you looking for a natural solution to boost your hair growth, strengthen your hair strands, and nourish your scalp? In today's video, I'm sharing my secret DIY herbal hair growth oil packed with powerful all-natural ingredients. This recipe is easy to make and can transform your hair care routine. Now let's jump right into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to make a DIY herbal hair growth oil using some of the most amazing natural ingredients. This oil will help nourish your scalp, strengthen your hair, and promote healthy hair growth. Let's get started with the ingredients. First, you need a container, and I always advise to use a glass jar, even though sometimes I use the plastic one, but I'm going to be infusing this for a long time, so I'm going to be using a glass jar. And then I have some leftovers of herbs that I've been using for years. The first one is my fenugreek, and of course fenugreek seeds are packed with protein and nicotinic acid, both of which are known to prevent hair fall and promote hair growth. They also help with shine and treat dandruff as well. The next on my list is cloves. It has essential rich vitamins and minerals that can strengthen your hair roots, add volume, and also improve scalp health. Then the next ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary is a star ingredient for hair growth. It improves blood circulation in the scalp, which stimulates hair follicles and encourages your hair growth. Plus, it helps to prevent premature graying and dandruff. So I'm just going to put this in my container. You can use a cup full for each of the ingredients, but like I said, I've been using this and this is what I have left. So just place them in your jar. And then I also have amla powder. Amla powder is a powerhouse of hair growth. It's rich in vitamin C. It boosts the production of collagen. It leads to faster hair growth. Amla also prevents hair breakage, strengthens your hair roots, and adds shine to it. This is the first time I'm actually using amla powder. I've been looking for it for years, but I don't know, maybe I didn't look harder, but I couldn't find it. But yeah, I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of this amla powder, and if I like it, if I feel a certain way about the oil just because of this powder, I'm not going to use it again. But I intend to use this as a deep conditioning treatment. Maybe mix it with my deep conditioner and use it, but we'll see how that goes. So this is what it's looking like. Like I said, you can use as many quantity as you want, then you have to increase the oils, but I'm using just what I have left. You know, I have to restock some of this as well. So I go in with my olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. There are different oils you can use, and I really wanted to use just olive oil, but I was looking at the container and I saw that this quantity is too small. I didn't want to waste my herbs, so I had to go in with another oil, and that is coconut oil. I naturally would not use coconut oil because I just like to use it for my pimple treatment, but then of course I wanted this hair growth oil to be as much as at least fill the jar, so I went ahead with the coconut oil and I put it in there. And then what you want to do next is just to stir everything up, mix it properly with a spatula or a spoon or a stirring rod, whichever one you have on hand. Just make sure that you go in there and stir everything. Coconut oil is very great, you know, it's packed with fatty acids. It helps penetrate deep into your hair shaft. It provides intense hydration and reduce protein loss, because on its own it acts like a protein treatment as well. It strengthens the hair for real and makes your hair stronger. I explained a lot about coconut oil in one of my videos. I'm going to link it in the description box. Then the olive oil, of course, is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E. It helps to protect the hair from damage and also soften your hair. It's a very lightweight oil, and truly, if you want to make your hair growth oil, you really need to use oils that are very light. So I had castor oil, but it's a very thick oil, so I don't want to use that. I would rather mix it when I'm done straining this oil. And also, of course, I always had peppermint oil when I strain this oil out. So you want to stir and stir and make sure there are no lumps, no powder stuck in one corner of the bottle. Make sure everything is properly mixed, and then I'm going to cover this up and place it in a dark cupboard or corner of my room just to infuse it. So you can infuse it for as long as you want. But lately I find that if I infuse it for like a month, I usually have great benefits from it, because infusing these herbs, they help you to better absorb all the nutrients in the herbs into your oils. So when you use the oil, it's almost like you're using the herbs naturally, organically. This is because I stopped using Ayurvedic herbs as a hair mask. So what I would rather do is to put them in my oils and then use it to moisturize my hair. So that is it, guys. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. You can use this oil as a hot oil treatment, your pre-poo, or just to massage your scalp. Leave for a few minutes, allow blood circulation to flow through your hair follicles. And these oils, they deeply nourish and strengthen your hair. They penetrate your hair shaft, so this is what I use. You will notice stronger, shiner and longer hair if you are consistent with using these oils, especially as a hot oil treatment. So this was the last one that I did. I strained in my last video, and yeah, I put it in this dark bottle because it helps with the shelf life as well. And it's almost halfway. That is why I decided to make another batch, because I don't want to run out of it and there is no other oil for me to use. So guys, I hope you will do this. I hope you try out this oil. Like I said, there are different ingredients, a lot of herbal ingredients you can use. Choose the one that sits well with you, but I would like to say you should start from maybe like 4 to 5 ingredients first. Herbal ingredients, before you go all out to use as much as you want, because you do want to test out to see if your hair does not react in any negative way to some of these herbs. But these are the herbs I've been using for years and I don't have any issues with it, as long as I'm infusing it into my oils. And that is it. A super easy and effective DIY herbal hair growth oil. Your hair will love the natural benefits of rosemary, cloves, fenugreek and amla. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips, and let me know in the comments if you are excited to try this recipe. See you in my next one. Bye bye.